Okay, are you understanding what I'm telling you?
I'm sitting on 25D.
Okay.
Come on up.
When you going under arrest?
Don't worry about it. Put your hands behind your back.
Hands behind your back. Do it now.
Put your hands behind your back.
I am putting my hands behind my back.
I got it.
Drop the phone. Drop the phone.
On June 1st, 2025, Broward Sheriff's Office deputies responded to Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport after a passenger refused to deplane following a pilot's removal order. 2 arrests followed. The legal framework governing this encounter begins not with state law, but with federal aviation authority.
Hello. What's going on?
He's recording now, so you don't even have.
He threatened all of us too.
What's that?
He threatened all of us too. So.
All right, so here's.
What's going on?
BSOS. Yeah, he knows the story. All right, it's still
Okay, so 20. Okay.
Yeah, go in. Personally non-compliant. He's traveling with his kids and another family member, the grandmother. He placed the daughter in someone else's seat, and while we seated them with the grandmother, with the adult, part of the family. He removed the daughter and put them in the other seat beside him, and the other daughter, which was assigned to someone else. The flight attendant
Not part of his family, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Flight attendant asked, to put the daughter back with the grandmother, so the other person was sitting there assigned seat. He refused to do it. He was non-compliant, very combative. He asked him to get off the aircraft, get his stuff, and get off the aircraft. He was very rude, so they could come threatening. And he was just non-compliant, very combative, and not listen to any guard instructions. So I had him our car here, a notice of non-compliance. He refused to take it. He started recording me, which he has a right to. But I did let him know I don't consent to him recording. He's right here. So we're like him off the aircraft. The flight crew is not comfortable. They're not safe with him.
Okay, so who you want off the aircraft? Just him?
This gentleman right here.
And the kids can fly with the grandma?
If he's willing to let the kids go with the grandmother, but he's going to have to get on. So who doesn't want him on board, they're not safe. Don't just take him on board.
Okay.
We were willing to rebook him on the next flight. Very combative and non-compliant. Not listening at all.
Okay. Okay. All right. So this is what's going to happen, all right?
Yes.
The pilot doesn't want you on the plane. The crew doesn't want you on the plane.
For what reason?
They don't have to have a reason.
They need to have a reason.
No, not by law. No. Once the pilot says you're off,
Take me
you're off.
down on the plane with my kids and my disabled mother.
So your kids can stay with your mother if that's what you want?
No.
Okay. So this is what's going to happen. I'm going to tell you no. I'm going to tell you this is the way it works. Okay?
Yes.
Well, they can come off with you if that's what you want. That's fine. All right? They're your kids.
For what reason?
Because apparently you're not following rules and
I am
regulations.
following rules. Why?
All right?
I was on my seat.
Okay.
Come on, I'll show
Apparently
you.
I don't need to go anywhere.
I'll show you my seat.
So
I have
if
my
you refuse,
ticket.
listen,
I
if you
have my-
refuse to come off, you'll be arrested. Everybody
what?
on this plane will have to come off and you'll be arrested. As
For
simple
what?
as
Look.
that. All right?
Look, this is my seat, 25D.
Okay.
Can I come and show you where is
No.
my seat?
No.
This is my seat, so you are doing something wrong.
No. Have nothing to do with the plane.
My daughter was supposed
All
to change the seat, but the person...
I'm giving you, are you going to come off the plane or no? That's all I need to know.
I am on my seat. Look, this is the 25D, and I registered where I'm sitting.
Okay. Are you understanding what I'm telling you?
I am sitting on 25D.
Okay.
Come on up.
When you going under arrest?
Don't worry about it. Put your hands behind your back.
Hands behind your back. Do it now.
Put your hands behind your back.
I am putting my hands behind my back.
I got it.
Drop the phone. Drop the phone.
You don't want to do it the right way, right?
Okay.
I want you to come off with your kids, or your kids to go with your mother.
Okay.
But you want to go to jail, so that's what's going to happen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
You don't have to attack at all. Get down. Get down.
Bibi,
30, give me another unit.
Bibi stala.
Get down. Turn around.
Bibi stala. Bibi stala. Bibi stala. Bimbi sala. Bimbi sala. Bimbi sala. Aiutami. Aiutami. Aiutami.
Sit down. You will get your ass saved.
Aiutami. 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 Sono bimbila. Bimbila. Aiuto, sono bimbila. Sono bimbila. Please. Please, sono bimbila. Please. Sono bimbila, please.
We got two in custody.
Please, sono bimbila. Mia moglie. Please. Sono bimbi, fanno male. Fanno male i bimbi. Sono bimbi là. Oh. Okay. Oh yeah.
Just wait till they rush them to get him.
Sono bimbi là. Sono bimbi là.
You guys open up? Y'all good? Yeah. All right. We'll wait till the rush them to get him. Just face the wall. You don't have nothing to talk about this. I'll come running at the police like that.
Let go.
No, you would. He did.
Because he was coming.
You wouldn't listen.
He was coming
That's
to
why
me.
you're in custody.
He was coming to me. I promise you.
Well, the way of doing things.
Please,
obviously,
please do me a favor. Please do me a favor. Just let him go. Let him go, please. I'll do whatever you want.
I know you
I
would.
swear to God.
That's why
Whatever
you're
you want.
detained right now.
Okay.
This way right there.
I was never detained in my life. This is unfair.
You didn't want to listen,
I'm
so.
not saying that you are doing something unfair. Absolutely. I respect you. I respect your job.
Thank you for respecting me.
But please let him
Hold
go.
on.
Please.
Good.
Please.
Just
Please.
like
Sono i bimbi. Sono i bimbi.
There's no debates here. We'll send somebody else come, then I walk out.
Hey.
Well, actually,
I need somebody
you want to
to
wait
fill out
because you
info.
got to get information. So wait. Just hold them out there till somebody else comes.
My mom is disabled. She gonna
Okay. We got new game. I
just need your info.
Yeah.
And the flight and all that.
Action reaction. That's what that's called.
No, they're gonna pay for
And
it.
you said that
They're gonna have
the dad was trying to grab me or
Whichever one of you backwards turned, you was trying
Yeah, I was
to grab
grabbing
you,
his
and that's
phone
when
off
I-
the floor.
That's,
Okay.
that's when I grabbed you. We have the camera.
Yeah, you have on my phone too. Don't worry, you have the video. You have everything.
I think it was him. His back was turned, and then the pops was trying to grab on. I didn't. What is
He was trying to grab me. That's what he's trying to do.
The officer's back is
He was
turned.
trying to grab me. That's what he's trying to do. He doesn't even speak English.
I got their info, that's all. I just
I know what.
I need somebody else because I got two.
Okay.
We took him, and I guess dad came running after. They said when I was trying to pick up his phone,
Running
I
after him. Yes, after me he was.
then they went after Samaj.
After me he was running.
You don't need anything else for anyone on the
And I got the two
Who's
fans
Albert?
and witness.
I am Albert.
That's me. So I need the one for the back outside. I can press for you up here.
Can you please let my dad go?
That's not mine.
It's beyond that. It's too late now.
Please.
You didn't want to listen. You could have just came off by yourself and let your whole family fly.
The kids go.
That's how I tried to have you do, right?
It's been a week. They didn't.
But you didn't want to listen.
It's been a week. They didn't see their mom. Please, officer.
It's not up to us.
Go outside.
Go up front.
You can go whenever you want. Here you go. I'll let my dad go. Yours. Who's somebody?
Boy,
I need units with a cage. I don't have a cage. What's your date of birth, Dad?
He doesn't speak English.
Okay. When was your dad born?
4/23, 1956. He was just coming.
And where was he born?
Sheriff, he was just coming to me, man. Come on.
Where was your dad
Do
born?
whatever you want. Just don't register it, please.
Where was your dad born?
In Albania. Rudy Pakshtim Rama, Go.
He a U.S. citizen or Albanian citizen?
Who?
Your dad.
My dad is Albanian. He has a green card. He didn't do nothing. He didn't do nothing. He was coming to me. The kids were crying. That's why he came.
And what's the phone number for you?
Please, he didn't do anything.
And where were you born?
I was born in Albania.
And are you Albanian citizen still or U.S.?
I'm alright.
You're American now?
Yes, sir. It's been 10 years. I never had trouble with anybody. The guy on the plane, he was very rude.
Right, but I explained to you multiple times that they don't want you on the plane. The pilot has the authority of the plane. Whatever they tell you, you got to do it.
I thought you were just trying. I swear to
Why
God.
would I do that?
I swear to my life.
I just wanted you to get off the plane and your children to go with the family.
I thought you were just saying that. If I
All right.
knew, I would have complied. Absolutely.
I told you that that's the way it's going to work if you refuse, okay?
Absolutely.
So unfortunately,
100%, I will.
and that's where we're at now. Unfortunately, your family's getting kicked off the plane too.
My mom, can you please?
We don't have control over that.
My
Once
dad.
the airline makes that decision,
No,
that's
for
it.
my dad, please.
No, it's already past that.
This wasn't under federal aviation regulations, specifically 14 CFR section 121.580. The pilot in command has final authority over who may travel on the aircraft. This authority is not unlimited. It requires a good faith belief that the passenger's presence creates a safety concern. It cannot be exercised for arbitrary or discriminatory reasons. But here is the critical distinction. The pilot does not need to justify that belief to the passenger in the moment. Once the decision is made, the aircraft is no longer a forum for debate. The officer's statement that the airline needs no reason was imprecise. A good faith safety belief is required, but his broader point is legally sound. Once the pilot in command ordered removal, the passenger's continued presence transformed from authorized occupancy to criminal trespass. Under Florida Statute 810.08, willfully remaining on property after being told to depart constitutes trespass after warning, a first-degree misdemeanor. The officer offered multiple alternatives. Deplane voluntarily. Children continue with grandmother. Rebooking on the next flight. Each option was refused. When officers moved to arrest, the passenger physically resisted. Under Florida Statute 843.02, resisting an officer without violence occurs when a person opposes a law enforcement officer in execution of legal duty. Physical resistance to handcuffing meets this standard, even without striking the officer. Pulling away and refusing to comply constitute resistance under Florida law. The environment is critical here. This is a commercial aircraft aisle, approximately 18 inches wide, with seated passengers on both sides and minor children immediately adjacent. Under Graham versus Connor, the Supreme Court established that force must be judged from the officer's perspective, accounting for the need to effect arrest, crime severity, and immediate threat. The officers faced active resistance in a confined space with vulnerable persons nearby. The control techniques used, empty handholds without strikes, were proportionate to that resistance. As officers restrained the son, the father approached from behind. He is an Albanian national, a lawful permanent resident holding a United States green card. He does not speak English. His conduct moving toward officers during an arrest constitutes obstruction under Florida 843.02. The statute does not require knowledge that the arrest is lawful. Intent to interfere, not knowledge of the legal nature of detention, is the operative element. However, this arrest presents significant complexity. No interpreter was secured before arresting a man who demonstrably could not communicate in English. Officers gave commands in a language he did not understand. While this does not void the arrest constitutionally, it represents a procedural failure under law enforcement best practices. The Fourth and Fifth Amendments protect lawful permanent residents with the same force as citizens. The absence of language assistance before criminal enforcement is relevant to any due process challenge. One additional issue requires clarification. The flight attendant stated she did not consent to being recorded by the passenger. That statement carries no legal weight. Private individuals do not hold veto authority over recording in commercial spaces where no reasonable expectation of privacy exists. The First Amendment protects the right to record matters of public concern. The passenger's recording was constitutionally protected conduct. The responding deputy receives a B+. Multiple de-escalation attempts were made. Alternative solutions were offered and refused. Force applied was proportionate to resistance in a tactically constrained environment. The imprecision about airline authority did not affect the legal outcome. The failure to secure an interpreter before arresting the non-English speaking father is the primary deficiency. The son receives a C. The underlying grievance may have been legitimate, but the legal response was not. Continued occupancy after pilot removal order, refusal of multiple alternatives, and physical resistance to lawful arrest converted a civil dispute into 2 criminal charges. The father receives a C+. His charge is legally cognizable under the statute, but the totality of circumstances matters. Elderly, non-English speaking, reacting to his son's restraint without comprehension of legal context. These factors distinguish his conduct from deliberate interference. Prosecutorial discretion should account for language barrier, immigration status, and protective intent toward distressed family members. The flight crew receives a B. Removal authority was properly exercised under federal regulations. Cooperation with law enforcement was professional. Whether earlier, crew-level conflict resolution might have prevented escalation to criminal enforcement remains an open question. 3 critical lessons emerge from this encounter. First, pilot removal authority under federal aviation regulations is broad but not absolute. It requires good faith safety belief. Once exercised, the remedy is civil complaint after deplaning, not continued occupancy and debate. Second, compliance first, litigation later is not surrender of rights. It is the legally sound exercise of them. The aircraft aisle is not a courtroom. Resistance in the moment forfeits moral high ground and adds criminal exposure to civil claims. Third, language barriers do not prevent arrest, but they must inform charging decisions and prosecutorial discretion. Lawful permanent residents possess full constitutional protections. Arresting non-English speakers without interpreter assistance raises due process concerns. Best practices require language access for critical law enforcement interactions. Technical legality does not always equal appropriate enforcement. The distinction between what officers can do legally and what they should do practically defines professional law enforcement. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.